Hello, boys and girls. I'm so glad you are joining me today. Let's get started. This is lesson number 2, and we are in our book. So make sure you have your recorder book and your recorder, and we're going to get started. So on lesson 1, we covered the notes B, A, and G, and on page 5, which is actually the second page of our lessons, we got as far as number 6. So today we're starting with number 7, and it has a new rhythm. Okay, still the same notes, still B, A, and G. Okay, watch the rests. So we're going to take a look at the rests here, and I'm going to speak the part with you. So we're going to count off 1, 2, ready, go. G, rest. G, rest. A, rest. B, rest. B, rest. A, rest. G, rest. G, rest. Okay, let's play it. Okay, now, as always, I am your mirror, so make sure your left hand is on top, okay? And not to worry, if you see this on my arm, as you know, I tore a tendon, and so the physical therapist put this tape on. That's all that is. So let's get started then, sitting up nice and tall. Our left hand on top, and that's our hand on this side of our body, this side, okay? And once again, I'm your mirror, so your hand should look like mine. Okay, so we have B, A, and G, and we start on the note G. So we have our thumb, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's our beginning note. All right, let me turn on our number 7, and let's play.
7. Watch the rests.
Right, gonna go again. Same thing. Start on G. Ready, go. Good, nice. Number 7. Okay. Wait,
Essential.
hold on. All right, let's take a look at 8. So again, in your book, number 8. Let's see, so you can see here on the bottom, number 8, Essential Elements Quiz. We're going to go ahead and play this, boys and girls. So we've got the quarter notes and the quarter rests, and I'm ready to play. And let's go ahead and turn it on. Left hand on top, sitting up nice and tall. Here we go, number 8.
Essential Elements Quiz. Before playing, write in the counts below the notes and rests.
2, ready, go. Good, next. Let's see if they do it again. Here we go. Ready, go. Good, nice. Okay, stop.
9.
And let's move on. We're going to turn the page. So grab your book and turn the page. And we are on page 6, number 9. We're playing number 9. Okay? And it says note check. Write in the remaining note names before playing. So if you have your pencil, and if you did the last exercise with your pencil, we'll go ahead and I'll just say the notes. I think you already know them. So it is B, A, let me just make sure you can see here. B, A. Measure number 2 is A, rest, A, B, A, G. Another 3 rests. Rest, rest, rest. Measure right here. B, A, G, 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 rest. Okay, I am ready to play note check. Again, left hand on top, sitting up nice and tall. And number 9, here we go.
9. Note check.
2, ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. Good. One more time. Ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. Good, nice, nice, nice. Let's stop that.
10.
And before we go to number 10, let's take a look at number 10, step it up. Here we are, number 10, step it up. So we've got our same notes, no new notes. So G, A, and B, and we have quarter rests. So let's pay attention. Still 4 beats in a measure. You can do this. Let's do this. Sitting up tall, left hand on top, and we are playing number 10. Step it up. Here we go. Start on G.
Step it up.
2, ready, go. Good. One more time. Ready, go. Good. Nice. All right. Let's pause that. All right. Moving on. Let's take a look. In the middle of your page, in this yellow area, we have something called a half note. We worked on this in class. Most of you are very, very familiar with this. For those of you who are not familiar, let's take a look. So we count 1, 2 on the half note, and you can see, I want to make sure that you can see where I'm pointing. Okay, so the half note looks just like a quarter note, except the middle of the note is empty. Okay, so, and it gets 2 beats, two beats. All right, so we hold it for 2 beats. So we would say half, and then that equals 2 notes, or excuse me, 2 beats. And then we have our half rest. And we talked about this in class also, but in case you weren't there, or in case you're new, a half rest, as we can see, is that little black rectangle that sits on either the well, actually sits on the middle line, okay? And it's 2 silent beats, all right? And then we can see that it equals 2 quarter rests. So instead of them writing 2 quarter rests, we write a half rest. So that's what that is. So in number 11, stick together, we see that we're gonna have half notes, okay? Here's a half note, and here's a half note, and here's a half note, okay? I am ready. Stick together, number 11. So, got your book ready, sitting up nice and tall. Let me just click this. We can just hide that. Okay, and number 11, stick together. Start on G. Okay, your hand should look like mine. I am your mirror. Here we go.
Eleven.
Here we go.
Stick together.
On G. 2, ready, go. Let's go again. Ready, go. Nice. Let's go right on. Number 12.
Time out.
Start on A. Ready, go. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. One more time. Ready, go. Good, nice. Okay. Good job. Let's move on. Breath mark. All right, so on our same page, still on the same page, in this yellow box, we see this little marking. It looks like a comma. And in music, we use that as a symbol to take a breath. Okay, so let me read with you right here. Take a quick, deep breath at the end of the note. Be sure to play the next note on time, which we will. So here we have heads up number 13. We have B, B, A, A, and then we have two half notes, G, G, and then we take a breath. Okay, then we take a breath. Then we come right back in on the beat, and we have four A's, two half notes that are B's, and we take another breath. Okay, there's our little breath mark. Okay, then we have the last two measures. Let's give it a go. We start on B, we play our half notes, we take our breath. Okay, number 13. Number 13, heads up.
13.
There we go.
Heads up.
Ready, go. Good. Again. Ready, go. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, let's move on. Melody. Melody. We know what the melody is. Melody is the line that we sing. Or if it's an instrumental and we're listening to a song, the melody, that's the part we hum. Okay, so let's read out loud together. It says melody. A melody is a combination of different notes and rhythms that makes a tune you can sing or play. Happy Birthday is a melody most people know. Can you think of other melodies? Well, we've sung many in class. So, number 14. What is baking? I think you'll recognize this song, and I'm ready to go ahead. So we have half notes, we have half rests, and we have breath marks. Okay, I'm ready. What's baking? Let's go ahead. Number 14. There we go. We start on B. Okay, does your hand look like mine? Left hand on top, sitting up tall.
14. What's baking?
Ready, go. One more time. Ready, go. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, we're going to stop there for today, boys and girls. I'm very proud of you. Good job. Will you keep working on that? You can practice this lesson over and over. Work on your half notes, work on your half rests, work on your breath marks. And next time we'll start with our repeat sign. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Okay, bye-bye.
15. Instant replay.